Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video, the series of videos in which we are explaining you how you can utilize your Excel expertise and your knowledge of Excel in managing your YT Studio dashboard and analytics, right? So as you can see that in our previous videos, we have shown you as soon as you update this data from the downloaded option, the download option of your Y2 Studio. So then you can immediately, after updating, you can immediately go to the report in here. So it will come up with a message that these are the options. 4 reports are available: by views, by watch time, by average view duration, and by earning. Right. So, for example, we take watch time. So this is the 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 2 years, or the 3 years performance here, right? And we started in the June 2023. 2024 was went like this, and 2025 is going now this way. Okay, so this is the how you can use this, and you can also make changes. You can change the graph range, and it is at the moment comparing these 2 full years, right? You can compare any 2 of these years, and for this, all you need to do is select those ranges, and then it will get updated. Okay. So, and also it is showing you the top 3 best performance in terms of watch time was these 3 days, right? And one, uh, mm, it was 123, 123. This was the top most best performance. When it was in 2023, November 09. The second was 115 on 27th November, and the third highest is 26. Yeah, that is so this was the performance graph, and these are the customized report. This way you can customize reports, and also you have a sheet which is telling you uh, how are your popular videos in terms of subscriptions. Yeah, in terms of subscriptions as well, right? So if you increase this, yeah, and these are the subscribers. Yeah, the topmost subscriber is this video, and the second highest is this video, and this how it is arranged, right? So you will get all these updates on daily basis. These are not only as and when we run the process, it updates all the files, lesson files, lesson file, lesson 412. This way we have all the lessons which we cover in our video. So all these files are linked to the videos, and the link is available in the description, right? So today's topic is about telling you how you can make sure that any data which you enter uh, into the table data sheet. For example, here you enter this table data sheet, right? So as soon as you activate this sheet, uh, it arranges the sort. It goes and execute this procedure, that is data sort, right? So what will it do? It is going to sort the existing sheet, so that anything which is pasted in the bottom of this data, so it comes right in a right order, and there it is sorted, right? So if I press F8, it is going to take you to the data sort. It is going to take the range. It is selecting now the entire range, and then it is executing the sort, right? So uh, this is how it is applied, and that's it. And it is sorted, right? So this is how you can see that uh, it makes sure that anything any new data which is placed in the bottom, so they come to the right position in a sort order, right? So this is the thing, and how to take the new data into this is that you can see that this report is until 2025 January 9. Today is 17. So until 16 we can further bring the data. So let's go to the YouTube studio and we go to analytics, and from 10th we can use a custom approach here, right? We will go to the custom, and here we will use 10th of January, right? So let's copy this, Control C, and we paste it like this, right? Control V, right? And we make it 10. Okay, so the 10th of January until 15th of January, that is the we can have maximum. Okay, so we apply this thing, and then we go to the data set, uh, and here we are going to download it. Right? So let's download it so that you have a sheet downloaded. It will open in here. Okay, so these are open, and all you need to do is select all these ranges, uh, or you can also, if it is a bigger, you can go to the download and it is downloaded. But you can straight away select from here as well. Okay, so to open in Excel, you download it and open it, right? Mm. So this is safer because that would not cause any format problem, right? So what we do is we copy from here and this, and we paste it right under the data, right? We paste it right in here. Control we do, yeah. Okay. Control V. So that's all we need to do. As soon as you click on here, so it will automatically get into the proper position that is in the top, right? So, so this is how it is done. And now uh, you can go to report, and you can say, for example, you can see the two, click two. And when you see that this is uh, 20, 25, 26. Okay. And now if you go back, so you will see that the range is automatically sorted, right? Until 15th of January, you have all the records in place. And so the next thing is to do is bring the graph in a program. Since if you have only 20, 25 and 26 is not there. So it's always better uh, to have a comparison between what? Between 2024 and 2025, right? 204 and 2025. Yeah. So this can be done. And all you need to do is you click OK here, and this is the range which you would like to do. Okay. Or you can include all the uh, uh, 3 years in it, right? So for this, you need to select all this, right? And insert the graph. And here you will insert the graph, for example, the line graph, and in the line graph, you will use this, this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. So these are line marks, and you are going to, yes. So this is all the three series are here. And now you can um, set this series option, and you can go to the select data, and then you can rename these things, or you can edit it, right? The name is here. The first name is here, and this is B. Okay, we click it OK. That's right. And the second name is here, and we click on this is C. Yeah, and this is this one. And the third name is to be edited like this, and we click in here. So you have it. So this way you have adjusted the names description so that it comes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.